Welcome. Today's video will walk you through how to unfollow a topic on X, formerly known as Twitter, using the web version on your computer. The process is simple, but with the latest update, some options have moved around, so let's go step by step. First, open your browser and go to x.com. Once you're logged into your account, take a look at the menu on the left side of the screen. You'll see several options like Home, Explore, and Notifications. To find the settings you need, click on More. That will open up a list of additional menu items. Next, select Settings and Privacy from that list. This is where all your account preferences and controls are located. From here, look for the section called Privacy and Safety and click on it. This section manages the type of content you see, as well as your overall experience on the platform. Under Privacy and Safety, you'll find an option labeled Content You See. Click on that. This is where X allows you to personalize what appears on your timeline, including topics, interests, and suggested content. Once you're inside the Content You See section, choose Topics. This is where all the subjects you currently follow are listed. You'll see topics you've chosen to follow and the ones X automatically selects based on your activity. Take a moment to review the list and find the topic you no longer want to follow. When you find the topic, click on the Unfollow button next to it. A small prompt may appear asking you to confirm your decision. Simply click Confirm to finalize the action. That's it. You've successfully unfollowed the topic. From now on, posts and suggestions related to that topic will no longer appear on your feed. You can repeat this process anytime if you want to manage or refine the topics you follow. Keeping your feed customized is a great way to make X work for you. Whether you want a cleaner timeline or just want to skip certain interests, these steps give you full control over what you see. Thanks for watching.